Today, we are going to use Microsoft OneDrive to manage file access and sharing. We also have videos that walk you through the OneDrive setup process if you're not quite ready for this step yet. Once you open OneDrive, remember, the icons in the status column will tell you whether a file is synced, available offline, or failed. Until the file is synced, you won't be able to generate a sharing link. To create a sharing link, right-click on a folder or file. Select Share, Copy Link, or Manage Access, and modify the settings based on your choice. By default, your WQSB account is set to share with people with existing access. You can change this to people in Western Quebec or specific people, which is more direct and sends an email notification. Choosing People in Western Quebec School Board gives anyone with a WQSB account and the link access to the file. You can also specify if people can edit, view, or block downloads. After clicking Apply, the link is created and can be pasted into a chat, email, or document. Depending on how it's pasted, it may show the file name or the link itself. We can also choose Manage Access when we right-click on a folder or file. This option allows us to see who currently has access, including group settings, which are typically created through WQSB and SharePoint. Additionally, we can view the sharing link or stop sharing the file entirely if needed. If I try to share a file saved on my local drive or network, you'll notice that I can't generate a sharing link. Sharing only works with files stored in OneDrive, which is also referred to as the cloud. You can also share a file directly from within Microsoft applications. For example, in Excel, clicking the Share button gives you access to the same sharing options as you would find in OneDrive. I also want to highlight another great feature of OneDrive. By right-clicking on a file and selecting Version History, you can view and restore past versions of a file. So if maybe it was modified accidentally or deleted, you can see past versions and restore them to be used.